With the introduction of the PSVR2 and Pico 4, it's now time to compare and see which VR headset takes the lead. In this video, we'll delve into the world of VR headsets and provide an in-depth analysis of the PSVR2 and Pico 4, helping you make an informed decision about which one to choose. Virtual reality VR headsets have taken the world by storm, and the PSVR2 is one of the latest entries into the market. This headset has been making waves with its features and performance that make it a strong contender in the world of VR. So let's dive in and explore what the PSVR2 has to offer. The PSVR2 is designed to be comfortable and easy to use. The headset has an ergonomic design that is lightweight and fits comfortably on the head, even during extended use. Its high-resolution display is a major draw for gamers and VR enthusiasts alike, with a resolution of 2000 by 2040 pixels per eye, making it one of the highest resolutions of any VR headset currently on the market. The display provides clear and appealing visuals. Additionally, the headset boasts features such as inside-out tracking, a 110-degree field of view, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It also features foveated rendering, which renders only the maximum resolution of the pixels that the user's eye is focused on. The PSVR2 also has good tracking capabilities. It uses a single camera to track the position of the headset, along with two hand controllers that are tracked via LED lights. This allows for precise tracking and a high level of accuracy, making the PSVR2 an excellent choice for gamers who demand precision and accuracy in their gameplay. When compared to the Pico 4, the PSVR2 tracking and controllers are also quite impressive. While the Pico 4 has a similar tracking system, the PSVR2's tracking is more advanced, providing a more seamless experience. The controllers incorporate advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. The controllers have been described as comfortable and intuitive to use, with a design that allows more natural hand movements and greater precision in gameplay. The PSVR2 also offers some exclusive games and experiences that are not available on other VR headsets. These exclusive games and experiences are designed specifically for the PSVR2 and take full advantage of its unique features and capabilities. This means that users of the PSVR2 can enjoy a truly unique and immersive VR experience that they can't get anywhere else. Some of these games include Horizon Call of the Mountain, Gran Turismo 7 VR, Resident Evil Village VR, Fantavision 22X VR, Before Your Eyes VR, and the Dark Pictures Switchback VR. Pico 4 is a new standalone VR headset that has made waves in the industry since its release back in 2016. It boasts a variety of features that set it apart from the competition. Let's dive into what makes the Pico 4 special. It's important to mention that the Pico 4 was specifically designed for enterprise and commercial use. It has features like kiosk mode and remote device management, which makes it easy for businesses to deploy and manage multiple headsets. It also has a wide range of applications and use cases, from training and education to virtual events and simulations. The device has been engineered to be lightweight, weighing in at just 295 grams, which makes it one of the lightest VR headsets on the market, although that does mean that it comes with plenty of cables. Next, let's talk about resolution and display. The Pico 4 has an impressive resolution of 2160 by 2160 per eye, which is slightly higher than the PSVR2's resolution. This translates to sharper images and more vivid colors when you're in virtual reality. The Pico 4's display is an LCD panel with a refresh rate of 72 to 90 Hz, depending on what version you buy. This is the standard refresh rate for VR headsets, and it ensures smooth and responsive gameplay. The display has a wide field of view, measuring at 105 degrees, which is slightly lower than the PSVR2's field of view. The Pico 4 uses a Qualcomm XR2 chipset, which provides fast and smooth processing capabilities. It also has 8 GB of RAM and either 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, depending on the version of the headset. When it comes to tracking and controllers, the Pico 4 uses inside-out tracking, which means that the headset's cameras track your movements with no need for external sensors. The controllers are similar to the PSVR2's Sense controllers, with a similar button layout and tracking functionality. However, the Pico 4's controllers have a touchpad, that adds an extra level of interactivity to some games and experiences. Additionally, the Pico 4 has integrated speakers and dual microphones. The audio is delivered through speakers that are built into the headset, which means that you don't need to wear headphones. In terms of exclusive games, the Pico 4 does not currently have exclusive game titles, but supports some new titles that have already come out or are coming out soon, like The Walking Dead: Saints and Sinners, The Walking Dead: Saints and Sinners Chapter 2: Retribution, Just Dance VR, Peaky Blinders: The King's Ransom, and Ruins Magus. It also has a number of educational and training experiences that are geared towards businesses and organizations. Now that we have thoroughly explored the features and performance of both the PSVR2 and Pico 4, it's time to compare and decide which one is better. Here are the main differences and similarities between the two headsets. Resolution and display. The PSVR2 boasts a resolution of 2000 by 2040 pixels per eye, while the Pico 4 has a resolution of 2160 by 2160 per eye. While both headsets offer a quite similar resolution, the PSVR2 has a higher refresh rate of 120 Hz compared to the Pico 4's 90 Hz, providing a smoother experience. Tracking and controllers. The PSVR2 uses an inside-out tracking system with the PlayStation camera, while the Pico 4 uses an outside-in tracking system with the external sensors. Both headsets have their unique advantages and disadvantages, but the PSVR2's tracking system can be considered more accurate and reliable, providing a better overall experience. The controllers for both headsets are also quite different. The PSVR2's controllers are known for their ergonomic design and excellent haptic feedback, while the Pico 4's controllers are more basic in design and functionality. Exclusive games and experiences. One of the key factors that can sway a buyer's decision between the two headsets is the availability of exclusive games and experiences. The PSVR2 has a wide range of exclusive games, such as Resident Evil 4, Hitman 3, and the highly anticipated Gran Turismo 7. The Pico 4, on the other hand, does not have as many exclusive games, but it does offer access to several unique experiences like VR escape rooms and educational content for businesses and other organizations. Price and value for money. The PSVR2 is priced around $549, while the Pico 4 comes in at a slightly higher price point of around $499 to $599, depending on the model. However, the PSVR2 requires a PlayStation console to operate, which can add to the overall cost. In terms of value for money, both headsets offer a lot of bang for their buck, but the PSVR2's price point and wider range of exclusive games makes it a better value overall. Overall performance and user experience. Both the PSVR2 and Pico 4 offer excellent performance and user experiences, but the PSVR2's higher resolution, refresh rate, and more accurate tracking system give it a slight edge over the Pico 4. However, the Pico 4's standalone nature and unique experiences make it a better choice for some users who are looking to use it in a business setting. Recommendation: if you already own a PlayStation console and are looking for a high-performance VR headset with a wide range of exclusive games, the PSVR2 is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a standalone device with unique experiences and don't want to be tethered to a console, the Pico 4 may be a better fit for you. To conclude, the PSVR2 and Pico 4 are two of the most impressive VR headsets on the market today. The PSVR2 boasts some impressive features, such as high-resolution display and advanced tracking, while the Pico 4 stands out with its lightweight design and portability. Regardless of which headset you choose, both offer engaging experiences that are sure to entertain and excite VR enthusiasts. As always, we encourage you to leave your opinions and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this comparison helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our channel for more VR headset reviews and comparisons. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more VR headset reviews and comparisons. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and family who are interested in VR technology. We would also really appreciate it if you could tell us what topics you're interested in inside the VR world. Together, let's explore the exciting world of virtual reality. See you in the next one.